So in this subject, what we're going to do is we're going to test the landing page that we created, and we're going to test our email sequence. So I'll just write temporary email here, hit enter, and I'm going to open a couple of temporary emails. Email. Okay, I'm going to copy this email. Copy this. Okay, and then I'll go back to my folder all here. Right, I'm going to click this link. And what I like to do is I just like to copy this and put it in a notepad. Always keep things in notepads, please.
Okay.
Again, go back to this email now. Copy. Okay. Copy. Oops. Let's click this again. And I'll paste that email here. Let's say Tom. All right, click get instant access. Now you see, please check your email address in order to confirm your subscription. This will show for 2 seconds what we did, remember? And now you're taken to the thank you page. So looks good?
Yes, good.
Right? Now, if I go to the email here, right, you see, please confirm your subscription, Isidro Serino, right? From Isidro Serino, right?
Right.
Now, as soon as the person, let's say, clicks here, right? As soon as he clicks here, he will be taken to this page. Congratulations, subscription is now complete. You can always update your profile by visiting URL. Now, this is the subscription confirm page, right? Your subscription is successfully confirmed. Looks good.
Yeah, sounds good.
Right? And then basically, let's click back to inbox. And then you see the welcome email. Thank you for your subscription, right? Thank you for your subscription. Correct? You see this?
Yes.
So now, this is the welcome email. Now, this is where we finally accomplished our whole part of what? Testing the funnel, right?
Right.